Hi guys, this is the Google Pixel 9 Pro, Google's latest compact flagship. If you want a smaller phone packed with all of Google's best features, this might just be the one for you. Let's dive into our full review and see what makes it special. This year, Google brings something new to its Pixel lineup, a compact Pro models. The Pixel 9 Pro packs all the premium features of the larger Pixel 9 Pro XL into a small size. You still get a 5x zoom telephoto camera, a new selfie camera, and a bright high-resolution display. The Pixel 9 Pro and the Pixel 9 have the same size and weight. The main difference is the Pro has a Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection here. There's also a 1 extra camera here. The Pixel 9 Pro has a IP68 rated ingress protection against water and dust. The Pixel 9 Pro has a 6.3-inch LTPO OLED display, with high resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. There is also HDR10 Plus support. The display is sharper than the Pixel 9, with a 495p resolution. A key feature is that the refresh rate is come down to 1 Hz when you're not using the screen. The brightness is also improved, reaching up to 1300 nits with the manual slider, and this can boost up to 2300 nits in auto mode, making it great for outdoor use. The Pixel 9 Pro based on Android 14. There are helpful AI features that summarize your calls, texts, and emails, so you can quickly see the important details. Google's AI assistant Gemini allows you to ask questions in chat, just like with ChatGPT. Plus, you get a whole year of Gemini's advanced free subscription with the Pixel 9 Pro, which works with Gmail and Google Docs. The Pixel 9 series also has satellite SOS support, but right now it's only available in the USA. Google promised 7 years of software updates for the Pixel 9 Pro, and they'll provide spare parts if anything goes wrong with your phone. All the new Pixel phones use Google's Tensor G4 chipset. This new chip has a new CPU and a faster GPU compared to the previous Tensor G3. In daily use, the Pixel 9 Pro runs smoothly without any slowdowns or stutters. However, it doesn't stand out when it comes to raw performance. In benchmark test, the Pixel 9 Pro lags behind other top phones that use the latest Snapdragon chip. It also struggles with heat management. During long stress test, we noticed it's overheating, which caused a drop in performance. The Pixel 9 Pro has 2 stereo speakers with great loudness and mid-tones. The under-display fingerprint reader is ultrasonic, making it super fast and responsive. But it not work properly through a screen protector. The Pixel 9 Pro comes with 128, 256, 512 GB, or even 1 TB of storage. That's not expandable through microSD. The Pixel 9 Pro comes with 4700 mAh battery, just like the Pixel 9. Even with the LTPO screen, the battery life is similar. The phone earned a solid 13 hour and 11 minutes of active use score in our test. It supports 27-watt wired charging, but there's no charger in the box. When using a compatible adapter, it goes from 0 to 56% in 30 minutes, and it took 1 hour and 30 minutes to fully charge. It also works with wireless charging. Just like a Pixel 9 Pro XL, the Pixel 9 Pro comes with a 50-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x zoom, and a new 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Let's start with the main camera. The main camera takes great daytime photos with sharp details and natural-looking colors. Like most Pixel phones, it prefers high contrast, but the dynamic range is still impressive. Skin tones and facial features looks great, though you cannot adjust the background blur, and portrait mode doesn't use the 5x zoom camera. In low light, the camera does a good job, with good brightness, shadows and colors, though some details in dark areas might be a bit soft. The telephoto camera offers 5x zoom shots that are fairly sharp, with good colors and dynamic range. At night, the telephoto shots are well exposed, with vibrant colors, but they could use more detail, and sometimes the image looks a bit overly processed. The ultra-wide camera is impressive, capturing plenty of detail with natural-looking results. Its colors, contrast, and dynamic range match with the other cameras. With autofocus, it can even take close-up macro shots, and while they're good, the sharpness is not great. In low light, the ultra-wide performs well, giving bright photos with controlled highlights, though if you look closely, the images can appear a little soft. The Pixel Pro models come with a new 42-megapixel selfie camera that has autofocus. Photos are sharp, detailed, and have a wide dynamic range with natural colors. Plus, the camera has a wide field of view, so you can fit more into your shots. The Pixel 9 Pro can shoot 4K video with all its cameras. The main camera's videos have strong contrast and warm colors. The telephoto camera gives vibrant and contrasty footage, while the ultra-wide has slightly more muted colors, but still similar to the others. In low light, the main camera does a good job with sharpness and lighting. One thing that stands out across all cameras is the excellent stabilization, making videos smooth even when walking and moving the camera. So, this is the Google's Pixel 9 Pro. Some people want a smaller phone with all the features, and the Pixel 9 Pro offers everything you'd find in the Pixel 9 Pro XL, except for the bigger screen. Overall, the Pixel 9 Pro is a strong flagship. As you also like the small size phones. So, the Pixel 9 Pro is a solid choice and definitely worth recommendation. If you like the video, give the big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and see you in the next one.